These here are the valve covers off my Nissan 300Z twin turbo in the order that they appear on the car. As you will see, they are rather dirty. If we turn them over, they are even more dirty. So I got this. So on the tin it says spray it on. So that's had a good 15 minutes. What that should have done is sort of broke down all the gunk and loosened it all up. Anyway, next step, rinse down with a fast flow of water. So that's come out reasonably well. I think I'm going to give it a round 2 though, just to get a little bit more out. And also what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out this original gasket, which I seem to have left in. Because we have a new one for that. You know, look, that is supposed to be rubber and that's just gone hard. Yeah. So I'm just going to give these a wipe anyway inside, see what comes out, and then we'll give them another wash. There's still quite a bit more gunk down that end. On these exhaust sides, which have the RTV instead of the gasket, I have to go down here and get all the little bits of RTV out of it, and then these will have another clean as well and a wipe out. So went ahead, got the remaining gaskets out of these inlet cams here, and then give them a little bit of a clean up. And then I've scraped all of the RTV out of the grooves on the exhaust cams. Yeah, that was a very long process. And now I'm going to give it some more gunk and another wash. Yep, we're going to get the oil cap as well. I'm going to do the top separate, but if I can get a bit of it with it, why not? So this time around I'm going to try agitating it with a brush and see if it makes any difference. Okay, not calling it spotless by any means, but I'm saying that's as clean as it's going to get on the inside. So now time for the tops. Same process for anybody with OCD. That's not the way they sit in the car, but I don't care. So, gonna give that 10-15 minutes and see what happens. So the world where we got to be all inclusive, I'll put that little geezer back in as well. So yeah, not bad. I mean, it's coming off. I'm going to give it another go. But yeah, some of that real gunky stuff, it did sort of break it down. It's like a snow foam for engine parts. So there we are. Not gonna call it clean, but I'm gonna call it a lot cleaner. And if you put your hand in it, you don't get too dirty. And then the tops, they're clean enough now to sand down. 320, I think I'll probably do that. Primer them, then paint them.